with this little onion.
Oh, stuff. Oh, those are the sticks I put in the bottom. Let's see what we got for potatoes. Still nothing.
Oh, starting to see roots.
Must have packed this in too tight. Jeez. This is disappointing so far. Oh, here's one.
Trying not to be in the light, but also.
Here's another one.
Do you put them in the pot for now? Oh, I think I see one.
You know we're starting to catch one.
Oh. That one. Oh, it's multiple. Oh! They remind me of grapes. Oh my god, it's so cute! That one was grape size.
There's the green.
Can you reuse the dirt?
Yeah.
Oh, more baby ones. I feel like we could take all the tiny ones and just broil them and pop them in our mouths like grapes. Oh, don't lose that one on top. Oh my goodness. Look at how tiny this guy is. He's so little. What's that? Mm. That was moving. There was a bug.
Ooh, that's a big one.
That might be the biggest one so far.
Might have been the one I planted way back when. Maybe.
How many have we got so far? A decent few. We're still going.
Oh no. Here's the skin from the old ones. It grew up out of the roots. Oh, there's the onions I
cool.
planted. They're a nice little shallot. Replant those. Do you want to set those off to the side somewhere?
What exactly is a shallot?
It's like a seed. It's not quite fully developed onion. Here's another bundle.
Ooh.
Sorry, babies.
We should get you a little body cam for this stuff.
I have one. I just don't know.
Maybe we should look into that.
That's about all we need.
How many potatoes are in here? It's about covering the bottom. Maybe one of these little pots would be better. Put them in here. This way we have somewhere to put the dirt. We've got a good few. If I could grip them. Oh, that's smarter. To be fair, I have one hand.
You want to pause it and just give me a hand with this?
Yeah, we're gonna dump that in there. Okay, you were saying?
I think we should just pull these ones out from the tops first, because they seem to be connected.
Also, we did find like a couple more when emptying it. This one's back to, we shoved one real deep in there, so.
Oop, that's a good one. Can't eat that.
Can't eat what one?
Green ones are poisonous.
Like in Minecraft?
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually like green. That's cool.
Means it got too much light on it, where the potatoes were trying to grow. Good seeds. I imagine. Never tried to grow one from that small.
I mean, if it's got a couple eyes on it, it should work.
I'm no expert, but
It's worth a shot.
got a butt.
Oh, that one's got some poking out of it already.
Yeah, those are probably green. I should have harvested them sooner.
I mean, we did kind of try, but
Yeah.
Life happens.
For work stuff.
I think one day we were gonna and then watered them instead on accident.
Yep. Hindsight.
It's like a pot of gold.
Potatoes. I feel like this one did better than that one.
The pot?
The potatoes in the pot.
Okay. Oh, broke it.
Gotta be gentle. Little baby coopers.
This one didn't do good. It's difficult to help and keep camera steady.
It's okay.
Wait. I am helpful for the second pair of eyes. This construction is loud. I can see one. Oh, you just buried me. There you go. Is this a little tree?
Yeah. You can pull it out of there and put it in the tree bin if you want.
Let's see if it'll help itself. Ah! If I can get it to stay. I really crank it. Oh, this has gotten big. That doesn't go in there. Are you digging for gold?
Peanut? What? That's what I'm talking about. I didn't plant this. Fucking squirrels.
So are we gonna do this and then the same method as before? To double check for any? No?
You should be good.
What's that by your thumb? Oh, I saw another one in there.
Just put him in there. That's obvious.
There's a couple tiny ones on top.
Another peanut. And the squirrels. They must have been having a buffet.
At least during the quiet parts of this, you can just montage it.
This is an epic potato montage.
Yeah, clip that audio, repeat it, put a beat behind it, you're good. Ooh. You're spilling a bit.
Alright.
Calling it good? It's not the end of the world if more potatoes shoot up, I don't think. Oh, that's got some weight to it now. Ugh. Oh, these ones are red.
Peace. Serenity. What I usually want out of my garden. This one's no good, see? Green.
The purple ones look weird green. Give me the potato. I should be strong enough to pull this guy out. Yeah. Oh, this is a cute little one.
Shake and check.
I think we should dedicate one of the pots to just replanting. The too small of the teeny tiny ones. This one's a little deformed, but he's okay.
It's just a little bit.
Look at this mound of dirt.
Oh, this one's huge.
Big boy. Guy's stuck. Oh. Little guy. Little guy.
Okay, after we pull them out this time, I think we should shake them a little bit. Like you suggested.
Just to get them all.
Yeah.
Kind of an experiment to see which way works best. It is warm out.
Look at all the little baby groovers. Want to take a break in a minute?
Sure. After this pot?
Sure.
Actually, I don't know why I said that. I don't know if I can last that long sweat-wise. Oh, this is a tough one to pull.
What's your knee?
We got a runner. fall off on the top. We lost one. What if it's a little squishy?
Yeah, just toss it. It's okay. We don't get them all. Alright, time to dump this one. Oh, there's one.
Is there some way I could help?
Keep an eye out for potatoes.
Whoa. Ooh, look at all those roots. Oh. Oh, whoa, that's satisfying. Just split it in half. Looks like we did pretty good harvesting them. At least from here. There's a lot of little roots though. I find it cute. I don't know if cute's the right word, but it's like, look at him. Look at what you've done. You've done so well. You've gotten roots all the way down here. Oh, dusty.
Yeah, I probably could have done better with the red potatoes. They probably got snuffed when
I think we got...
I repotted them.
I think this red pot holds moisture best.
This one?
Yeah, because that one
Well,
is...
I did something different for each one. One I put sticks in the bottom for draining. One I put cocoa coir in the bottom for draining. And then I think the last one I just didn't do anything different. I just put the premix in it. One should have had rocks in it actually, now that I think. One was rocks, one was sticks, one was Okay.
Is there a chance the rocks are in this one?
That is a possibility.
That's... Look forward to finding out.
Last thing.
Oh, there's also this pot. Does this pot have potatoes in it?
Oh yeah. I honestly don't want to harvest this one till it's done. Just because there's other stuff growing in it.
And it looks pretty.
But we do have to harvest these real quick. Carrots are done.
I won't lie, I thought that was an herb.
Ready? Oh, it's so tiny.
So cute.
I should have put it in a bigger pot. Hindsight.
Best way to learn is to make mistakes.
It's
so even smaller.
tiny. I think Ray saw the biggest one and was like, I'm gonna just yoink. They're totally ready. They're ready, she said.
I mean, that one
Harvest
pretty
these
much
now. I'm gonna follow my gut next time on the carrots. Use a bigger pot too.
Oh, did they grow to combine or just
grew together because they were too closely seeded.
just being buddies?
There's a lot going on in this pot, though.
For such a little pot, yeah.
You said you like baby carrots, right?
Oh, that one's got some size.
Is that what we're quantifying as size nowadays?
I said some. Oh, that one's so cute.
Barely a snack. That's not a carrot.
I think
This is a
there's
carrot.
one more in the middle. For how much they shot up, they sure didn't shoot down too far.
Onion's growing pretty well, though.
Is that an onion in there?
Yeah. I like to grow stuff together in the same pot. Yeah. Mediocre harvest. Let's go.
You can't say, hey, check out the harvest, and then walk in front of it. There's a couple potatoes on the ground.
Look how big the peppers are.
Oh my goodness, these are fat tomatoes. Oh, there's some red tomatoes. I like this flamingo in here. He adds to the pink. The pink is a good complement to the red. Yeah.
Peppers are big enough. I could probably pull those off.
Okay. It's okay. He caught the tomatoes. Is that a jalapeno? These jalapenos?
Huh?
Nice. They're big. Come on.
Heavy.
There's some weight to them. I don't know how well the camera can see that one, but
And then in the middle here's got tomatoes.
those I showed from the other angle. There's a bunch of little tomatoes also.
Nope, here's another one. This is a different kind.
There's a bunch thing going on here.
One pepper.
The one pepper.
A two pepper. Gotta get washed off. None of these tomatoes are ready.
Is there a trick to knowing when the tomatoes are perfect? Like, do they come off easier?
They just pop right off. It pops right off. It's ready to go. Because of the way the tomatoes reproduce is they...
Oh, does it drop one to try and seed?
See these flowers here? What I've had to do with every time I want this plant to fruit, I take my finger and I go in there. I go on all the other flowers. And I pollinate all the little flowers so that it makes these tomatoes.
Oh, didn't I help you do that the other week?
Please. Otherwise, you have to rely on the bees, the flies, whatever you got that comes through. And that's just...
It's less of a guarantee.
Yeah, it is very much less. Here's the other carrots we got there.
Oh no.
I knew there was more. And you gotta harvest cilantro seeds. Boonk.
Oh, that's got some fat.
That one could keep going a bit. That one could be going a bit. I think this one, if they're not really big, I'm gonna let them grow some more. They can only get so big because they can only go so deep though.
Yeah. Plus, harvesting some of the bigger ones might let the smaller ones grow more.
That's true.
Or at least thicker. Ooh, that's a good one.
Should have used a bigger pot for this. Maybe I'll put these carrots and I'll just replant them in the big potato pot. Some of them, if you put them back in the dirt, I'm pretty sure they'll just keep growing. Since they still got their tops in them. Great. That one's done. I just need to put...
Why didn't I drink any water before? That was yummy.
Hang these up to dry so that I can get these little seeds off.
Definitely didn't almost drop the phone.
Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one.